swimming and some other stuff. This isn't even all the white people I'm with. There's still 6 more. It's like the movie Get Out. I think they're gonna try to do something to me. That's the ringleader back there. It rained yesterday, so that's why there wasn't too much footage. Today we're just going back outside. Hopefully I could get in a canoe and get going. I just woke up, so I look a little more shabby than normal. And yeah, just surrounded by a lot of kids and a lot of food and a lot of water. See, there's little kids everywhere. There's my chauffeur who always paddles me. And
I'm bringing a towel and sunscreen.
My other chauffeur.
It's your water service. Your
That's
water
pretty fast.
Oh,
What the hell, Christopher?
Yeah, there is room for 2. Come on.
It says maximum
You sit
5.
on the back and Cadence is here.
Oh gosh, we're gonna sink.
We'll save you, boo.
The oldest of the children making us a fire. Mr. Mason Ruth.
Are you cold?
Yeah, it makes no sense why we can't just use.
It's stupid. This is the stupidest cottage.
They probably do it because they want other people to make money. So I was just walking down this trail, just, getting a little me time. Then as I'm walking down the trail, this big bulldog, I think it's a bulldog, comes lunging out, barking at me. So I kind of jump back. And then I realized he didn't really want to attack me. He was more scared or protecting his family. So I just kind of put out my hand. I was a little nervous, but put out my hand and just let him stiff me. And then the family came out and said, "Oh, Freddy, he's okay," but he was still kind of barking out at whatever. But then, yeah, let him sniff me some more, and he just stopped barking and went back. So I thought I was gonna get eaten by a dog. That's why I don't go to cottages. You never know what's out in this wilderness, just waiting to attack. But yeah, I think it's lunchtime, or I'm hoping it's lunchtime, and we'll get something going. But yeah, just enjoying this relaxing nature life and just having fun with Tara's side of the family. Since I usually don't go to the cottage, this is my first time. This is, I think, their 3rd time that they've gone. So I thought I'd come share the experience for a few days. But yeah, catch up with you guys in a bit. So I've come to the cottage and I haven't had one fire pit night as of yet. You know why? Because they're afraid. Because this lady said, "Ooh, there's a fire ban." So now everyone's afraid to make a fire. When all I want to do is make a fire. In the nice fire. But everyone is afraid to make a fire. Can't even get any s'mores and roasted marshmallows. Anyway, maybe I could convince them later to start a fire. Because you guys are afraid.
Well, yeah, because the mosquitoes are
Finally
eating us
getting my
alive.
campfire
Come on, Caden.
that I was promised.
Check out.
Oh God, Mason. That's
Check
a
out,
little...
bro. That's how you make a mellow, dude.
That's Mason over there.
Let's go. There's the mellow. A nice, crispy, and juicy mellow.
Oh. No, we need weenies.
Yeah, bro. We got weenies.
Oh God, watch my head. You do?
I know.
Mason.
Calm down.
Get close to my head.
What?
I said, where's the grill? I thought they were going to be done.
You put your own on a stick?
So this is day, I think, 7 at the cottage. Hashtag cottage life. I went away for about 2 days because I had a medical appointment to go to. But I'm back today. Just lounging. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just enjoying the cottage life.
We dug up clay all under there, and it's now all in this big thing, in this big bucket. And there's actually still more, and they were really big pieces, but we broke them down to like this size. Hello. And now we're making them into those molds.
And
We're
there
gonna
are
make some fish and stuff.
the
And I'm making
molds.
a huge brick right here, so.
So that's what Mason's up to, creating stuff that he could probably sell. As you can see, I'm the only one not in bathing attire. I'm not the best swimmer, so I don't go in. Plus the water looks dirty. What? I said dirty.
What?
Dirty. I'm accustomed to ocean water.
In here with Jaden's bears,
Yeah.
only heads.
That was psycho.
Oh, like literally.
Kaden, did you eat all your bears' bodies and not their heads?
No.
Why do you have so many bear heads up there?
Bear head?
Yeah.
What's bear head?
You ate all your Teddy Graham body and not the heads?
Kaden, talk to the camera and say something to your 20-year-old self.
No.
What do
Don't
you
do that.
What do you want to say to yourself in the future?
No. To help you.
You don't want to talk to the camera?
Nope.
Say, I'm Kaden Page.
I can't.
Do it. I'm Kaden Page.
I can't peek. Do that.
Yeah.
You're funny.
Yeah. Every time I do that. Hey, I came. Every time I do that.
Hey, I'm Kaden. You have black stuff.
So, it's almost the evening. As you guys can see, I cut my hair. I cut it a little too low, so I look like I'm bald. But anyway, the sun is setting. This is the last night. And I could say I enjoyed it. It wasn't bad for my first time at a cottage, being in nature and filming crap. So, yeah. Pretty cool experience, and just to be out in front of fires and everything. I think we're having another fire pit camp out tonight. But yeah, I don't know if you guys thought it was interesting or not. This place is called Perry. It's the township of Perry. Probably about It's the township of Perry. It's about an hour, I think, 45 minutes away from Muskoka, or as soon as you hit Muskoka. So yeah, it was cool. Had fun hanging out with my white side of the family. They do this every year. I'm not back every year, but yeah, it was cool. So, I don't know, see what else I'm up to.